while you're watching a movie or playing a game. And when a part that you really like it comes and you suddenly get this, a battery load that makes you so angry, that makes you like you want to throw your phone away. But I got you. I have 5 tips that will make your battery life last longer for Apple and Android both. Number 1, powering off your phone. You all think while charging your phone, it's good to power off your phone to get then your battery it'll charge faster, but it's not. It makes your battery go down faster while owning the phone. It while offing the phone, it takes battery away. It lowers your battery to close all the apps and everything that's there. And when owning the phone again, it has to open all the apps that takes more battery down. Number 2, what charger to use? You all think MagSafe or any wireless charger is good, right? But it's not. It just makes your battery go low. It damages your battery. If you buy wire chargers, those are very good. Nothing will happen to your battery. If not, every 9 months you have to replace the battery. Number 3, do not close apps. You think if you close the apps that saves a lot of you think if you close apps that save a lot of battery, but it's not. By closing the app, that takes it down, and that takes the battery down. When you open the app again, it takes more battery and it goes down. If you don't close the app and go to another app, it all saves it in RAM. So whenever you open it again, your battery won't get low ever again. Number 4, choose the correct wallpaper. You all think bright wallpapers look nice, right? But you have to get the dark wallpapers because the dark wallpapers will save the battery more. If not, the light one takes too much battery and it saves and that will make your battery life last more longer. Number 5, what charger to buy? When you go to a shop, you think, what charger to buy? What's the good brand? And you try buying the cheapest charger as you can, but don't. Buy a little bit more because cheaper chargers are not good at all. Try buying a brand that you know, like Anchor, Apple, Samsung, Xiaomi, or any good brands that you know. If not, your phone will catch on fire. Or when your phone is on fire, you can cook some food. You can keep a pan on top of your phone and cook some food. And if you learn something new today, subscribe and like the video.